We now move to the quality management principles. This section is especially important if you're dealing with quality management system standards like ISO 9001, AS9100, ISO 879-34, which is for explosive atmospheres equipment, APIQ1 and APIQ2. If your focus is more on the other standards like ISO 14001 for environment or 45001 for safety, this discussion is technically optional, but honestly, these principles are pretty insightful for any management system. There are 7 quality management principles as neatly laid out on the slide. They are customer focus, leadership, engagement of people, process approach, improvement, evidence-based decision-making, and relationship management. Think of these as the 7 habits of highly effective management systems. Let's take a quick look at each one. Principle 1, customer focus. Okay, this one is huge. To say that our organization depends on their customer is a massive understatement. Let's be real. Organizations exist because of their customers. Therefore, understanding your current and future customer needs, making sure you meet their requirements, and always striving to exceed their expectations is absolutely paramount. This focus is what leads to long-term success, happy repeat customers, and a good reputation. It's pretty hard to stay in business if you ignore your customers, right? Principle 2, leadership. Leaders at all levels of an organization are the ones who establish that unity of purpose and clear direction. They are the captains of the ship. They should create and maintain an internal environment where people can become fully engaged and motivated to achieve the organization's objectives. A strong leadership ensures everyone is on the same page and rowing in the same direction. Without it, things can get chaotic pretty fast. Principle 3, engagement of people. People at every single level are the true essence of our organization. They are the engine room, the brains, the hands, everything. Their full engagement allows their abilities and talents to be used for the organization's benefit. Having competent, empowered, and engaged people is absolutely crucial for creating value for customers and achieving success. Happy, engaged people tend to do much better work. It's not really rocket science, and that's why check our WebQMS leaderboard and Quacky. It will make everybody engaged in your management system. Principle 4, process approach. We touched on this earlier. Desired results, like a quality product or a well-delivered service, are achieved much more efficiently when all the related activities and resources are managed as a coherent process. Understanding how different activities link together as interlinked processes forming a system helps achieve more consistent and predictable outcomes. It also generally improves overall efficiency. It's about seeing the whole picture, not just isolated tasks. Many of the apps in WebQMS, like those for MOC or audits, are designed to support these very processes. They are all working together to improve your company. Principle 5, improvement. Continual improvement of the organization's overall performance should be a permanent, ongoing objective. It is not a one-and-done project. Successful organizations maintain a constant focus on getting better, reacting to changes in their internal and external environment, like new technologies or market shifts, to continue delivering value and staying competitive. If you're not moving forward, you're likely falling behind. Principle 6, evidence-based decision-making. Effective decisions are surprisingly based on the careful analysis of data and information, not just gut feelings or guesswork. While a bit of intuition can be helpful, Relying solely on it can be very risky. Ensuring that decisions are grounded in factual analysis and solid evidence is far more likely to produce the desired result and lead to positive outcomes. This is where good record keeping and data analysis tools, perhaps even some you use in WebQMS, become invaluable. Records that you're going to use for data analysis. And last but not least, Principle 7, relationship management. An organization and its interested parties and this includes suppliers, customers, employees, and even the local community are all interdependent. You don't operate in a vacuum. Managing these relationships well, particularly with key suppliers, enhances the collective ability of everyone involved to create value. Good relationships foster collaboration, reliability, and can drive sustained success for everyone. It's about building partnerships, not just transactions.